So here at Cyncoed Pharmacy, you can access the oral contraception service, which is a service whereby you can get access to free NHS advice about contraception and the prescribing of oral contraception if appropriate for the patient. Emergency hormonal contraception is something that's available in most pharmacies across Cardiff and Vale. Here at Cyncoed, patients can access it Monday to Friday, 9 AM till 6 PM, and a pharmacist will see that patient and assess them for suitability. Patients can book in with myself, an independent prescriber who can prescribe oral contraception for them. We assess that patient and talk through options with them, and they can often get a same-day appointment for oral contraception. So we usually advise that patients give us a ring ahead of an appointment, give us a call just in case there are no available appointments for that day. There are lots of pharmacies within Cardiff and Vale offering this service, but again we would advise that patient to give a pharmacy a call ahead of an appointment just to avoid disappointment with them turning up and not being able to be seen at that particular time. The patient would be invited into a consultation room. So a patient would then be asked certain questions about their medical history, about their preferences in terms of contraception, any history of contraception, any medical queries they may have or any concerns that they have about contraception. We would then take a series of checks such as blood pressure, we'd take a height and a weight so that we could choose the most appropriate and safe contraception for that patient. We would discuss options and we would then come to a shared care decision about what is the best contraception option for them. If it's not oral contraception at that point, we would be able to refer that patient directly into either their GP services in their area or Department of Sexual and Reproductive Health. If a patient was looking for help, advice on their contraception needs or anything regarding their sexual health needs, then please contact your local community pharmacy. If they're not able to see you there, they'll be able to signpost you to a community pharmacy that can give full access to that advice, condom provision, sexually transmitted infection screening advice, any concerns regarding contraception or sexual health.